Advances in Nanotechnology for Biomedical Diagnostics. Why smart drug delivery matters. Let's start with a problem in medicine that is not always discussed. Many drugs do not go only where they are needed, they spread throughout the body. This can lead to weaker treatment and stronger side effects. For example, a drug meant to treat cancer cells can also damage healthy cells. Scientists are trying to deliver drugs more precisely, so they work only where needed. This is where nanotechnology, and later AI, becomes important. What is nanotechnology in medicine? Nanotechnology means working with materials that are extremely small, between 1 and 100 nanometers. This is thousands of times smaller than the width of a human hair. At this size, materials behave differently. Their electrical, chemical, and biological properties change. This is important in medicine because such small objects can interact directly with cells, proteins, and even DNA. That is why nanotechnology is very powerful in medical applications. Types of nanomaterials used in healthcare. There are different types of nanomaterials, and scientists classify them based on their shape and structure. Some are tiny particles, some are long like wires or tubes, some are flat sheets, and some are complex 3D structures. They can also be grouped by the materials they are made from, such as carbon-based materials, metals, metal oxides, ceramics, and polymers. In this presentation, the most important group is polymeric nanomaterials because they are widely used in drug delivery. How nanomaterials interact with the body. One important reason nanomaterials work well in medicine is their large surface area. Because they are so small, many of their atoms are on the surface and ready to interact with the body. Scientists can also change the surface of these materials. This is called functionalization. They can attach antibodies, peptides, or other molecules so the nanoparticle can recognize specific cells. This is how nanoparticles can find certain tissues, such as tumor cells. From diagnostics to drug delivery. At first, many nanomaterials were developed for diagnostics, which means detecting diseases early or improving medical imaging. Later, researchers realized something important. If a nanoparticle can find a diseased cell to detect it, it can also deliver a drug to that same cell. As a result, the same technology used for diagnosis became useful for treatment. This idea connects sensing, imaging, and drug delivery into one system. Polymeric nanomaterials in drug delivery. Polymeric nanomaterials are especially useful for drug delivery. Polymers are long-chain molecules, and at the nanoscale, they can form particles that carry drugs inside them. These polymer nanoparticles are often biocompatible, which means the body can tolerate them. They can protect drugs from breaking down too early and help control how quickly the drug is released. Because of this, polymer nanoparticles are widely studied for safer and more effective drug delivery. Targeting, precision, and controlled release. One major advantage of polymer-based nanoparticles is targeted delivery. By adding specific molecules to their surface, these nanoparticles can attach mainly to diseased cells. This helps reduce damage to healthy tissue. Some systems are also designed to release drugs only under certain conditions, such as changes in pH or the presence of enzymes found in tumors. This controlled release is an important step towards precision medicine. Theranostics, diagnosis plus treatment together. In some cases, nanoparticles are designed to do more than one task. These are called theranostic systems, which combine therapy and diagnostics. A single nanoparticle can help detect a disease, deliver a drug, and monitor how well the treatment is working. This reduces the need for separate tests and treatments and allows doctors to see how a patient is responding in real time. Where AI fits. So where does AI fit into this picture? The paper used for this presentation does not describe AI systems directly, but it points towards personalized and data-driven medicine. AI can help analyze large amounts of biological and medical data to decide things like the best nanoparticle design, the correct drug dose, or the best treatment plan for each patient. AI can be seen as a decision support tool that makes nanoparticle drug delivery smarter and more personalized. Challenges you can't ignore. Even though this technology is very promising, there are important challenges. Nanoparticles can sometimes be toxic depending on their size, shape, or chemical chemistry. They may cause immune reactions or build up in organs. Producing them safely and consistently on a large scale is also difficult. Before these technologies can be used in hospitals, they must pass strict safety and regulatory tests. Solving these problems is a major focus of current research. To conclude, nanotechnology allows scientists to interact with the body at the molecular level. Polymeric nanoparticles are powerful tools for targeted and controlled drug delivery. When combined with diagnostic functions, they form theranostic systems that can both detect and treat disease. AI does not replace this technology, but it enhances it by helping improve and personalize treatment. Together, these tools point towards a future of safer, smarter, and more effective medicine.